Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Rajshekhar. If this is your first time, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell to notify when I post my videos in the YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain previous mathematics questions asked for National Talent Search Examination. Let us see first question. The angles of elevation of the top of a 12 meters high tower from 2 points in opposite directions with it are complementary. If distance of one point from its base is 16 meters, then the distance of second point from tower's base is. So here given 4 alternatives. So observe here. So this question belongs to heights and distances or applications on trigonometry. So in this question, so what is the given information? So here tower height 12 meters, let it be AB is a tower of height 12 meters and take 2 points. So one point is one side, opposite is second point, let it be C and D. So from these points, angle of elevation of the top of the tower, so angle of elevation, so here from this point also angle of elevations, so these two angles are complementary angles, means sum of these two angles must be equal to 90 degrees. Let it be this angle of elevation is theta and this one becomes 90 minus theta. So this is perpendicular to base, and also given the distance of one point to its base of the tower, this is 16 meters. And now we have to find the distance between other point to base of the tower. So let it be x meters. This is our question. Right. So observe here. So two right angle triangles. One is triangle ABC, other one triangle ABD. So from triangle ABC, so apply tangent tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So after cancellation 4 3s 4 4s, we get 3 by 4. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Now take from triangle ABD, right angle at B, angle ABD is 90 degrees. So here tan 90 minus theta, this is acute angle, equal to opposite side means 12 meters. This is opposite side is 12 meters divided by x. So tan 90 minus theta, we know that tan 90 minus theta is cot theta is equal to 12 by x. Cot theta means 1 by tan theta, that is equal to 12 by x. So here tan theta is equal to, we get x by 12. Substitute tan theta is 3 by 4. So we get tan theta value 3 by 4. Substituting here 3 by 4 equal to x by 12. So 4 1s 4 3s. So from this we get x is equal to 9 meters. So 9 meter is answer. So from given alternatives, B is the right answer. So we can do like this. Let us see second question. A circle is inscribed in a square and the square is circumscribed by another circle. So what is the ratio of the area of inner circle to the area of outer circle? So this is the question. So observe here, let O is the center of the circle and side of the square equal to diameter. Side of the square equal to diameter of the circle. This is 2x. So radius of the circle is x units. So let right here let side of the square be 2x units. Okay, so that equal to diameter of the circle, d is equal to 2x. Radius of the circle means inner circle. Radius of the inner circle is x. Radius of inner circle. So radius of inner circle is equal to x units. Okay. Now, so what is the radius of the outer circle? So what is this? So here observe here. So this one x. So OB is the radius of the outer circle. So now OF, what is OF is radius of the circle. So what is FB? FB also x units. So now observe here, from triangle OFB, take triangle OFB like this. So OFB. So here x units, this one also x units. So OB. So what is OB? So here OB. Here OB square equal to OF square plus FB square. So that equal to x square plus x square, that equal to 2x square. So we get OB is equal to root 2x. So this is the radius of outer circle. So our question is, what is the area of inner circle to outer circle? So area of inner circle to area of the outer circle, let it be A1 is area of inner circle, pi r square, radius is x square. So upon radius of the outer circle, pi r square, here radius is root 2x whole square. So here pi will be cancelled. So x square by 2x square, x square terms will be cancelled. We get 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 1:2. So 1:2 is the answer. Or find radius of the inner circle. Radius of the inner circle to radius of the outer circle. We get here. So radius of the inner circle is x. We get radius of the outer circle is root x. So here ratio is 1:√2. So now area of the and ratio of the radius becomes 1:2, means 1 square means 1, root 2 whole square means 2. So we can do like this only. This is a shortcut method. So we get 1:2. So option is the right answer. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.